Hi, hello, good morning to everyone. My name is Gaurav, and I'm doing a Bachelor of IT, and I'm doing this video for my subject. Um, Code is iTech 3207 Contemporary Challenge of for IT Manager. So during that videos, I will cover a topic for my video is the globalization concept of globalization, and advantage of globalization, disadvantage of globalizations. These all things will be covered in that video. Globalization come in 1980, but if we go further down in a path, we can check that concept evolved actually in 1930 when the British, Holland and Portugal, they already built their trading empire and trading the way to expand their market after the World War II. In the concept of globalization, it also impact and affect the society, culture and political things and other areas of the world. And some advantage of globalization. Before that, I will discuss the definition of globalization. Globalization can be defined as a term where to come together, to work together, and that's the main concept of the globalization. The advantage of the globalizations, if we takes, it comes in term of free trade, peaceful relations, quality products, and good for developing nations, and external borrowing things, quality for all, and unity in diversity, travel and tourism. That's all things it comes in globalization. How it expand, like peaceful relation, countries come together and they work together. They can forget their past experience, whatever the bitterness between. I can give example of US and Japan. After 1945 they comes together and they are working with a good friendly and the reliance with each other, and new markets for the countries where they can give their products, and other country people can use their products and get the advantage of this thing. Free trade, countries can be work together by removing that free taxes and levies on the products distribution and things. Transportation is also enhanced during that process, like transportation is evolved. Before that it gets a 2-3 months or 2-3 weeks to get the product, but now it's just in 2 days just because of the globalizations. And good for developing nation, yes, it's a good for developing nation. It's increased the huge strength in the term of employment in the developing nations, and moreover quality products, people can get a good quality products through that thing. Despite this, there is so many advantage of that globalization, but still there is more over disadvantage of the globalizations as well. Is like culture loss, unequal distribution of the wealth, monopoly, conflicts, some environmental degradations, so like unhealthy relation and like you can see, like some countries they are having a more benefit, like developed country having a more benefit of that globalization concept because their countries have a big companies, multinational company which is working through the all. We can take example of McDonald's, Hungry Jacks and Starbucks. These all are American company, but they are working through all country. But no, none of the developing nations, they have their own companies who can work to in a national, international level and multinational levels like a McDonald's. But they all company from developed country called US. Like this sort of example exists. Culture loss, because people are following English and things, so they maybe lose their languages and their culture. Their following might be the country's culture who's they're using their products and the way of living. As now it's the most of the Hollywood culture is getting is increasing everywhere and getting more and more in term of it's like Hollywood people are following this thing, and that sort of things can happen. Monopoly of the products, definitely McDonald's and other companies, they have their monopoly their products, so they are selling in their own ways, so like they are holding some particular things. So conflict. Countries have a conflict, want to be top on the economics, and so that's also the race which is making a dispute in a countries. And cutthroat competitions, yes, this is also the one of that in that like countries whose is a local market getting suffered by that. That's all about this video presentation. Thanks for the listening, and thanks for your patience to be with us. Thank you very much.